Okay, so for the paper Alexander Calder sculpture, you're going to take a heavy piece of paper, something that's got some grit to it, fold it in half, and then after you fold it in half, you're going to start doing some cutting. The cuts are going to be on the side where you've got opens because you want to keep that fold. So you can do any kind of cuts that you want. You could do something that's straight across at the top. You could do maybe a zigzag also. For the insides, you can cut just straight and follow the curve and the shapes if you want. You could cut a wiggly, wavy line. The important thing is that you don't cut all the way, you just cut part of the way. And you cut inwards. After you've done your cuts, then you can take your colored pencils, your markers, you can decorate it, you can put abstract, organic, and geometric, irregular shapes on here to give it some pattern and design, so that way it feels like it's a little bit more of a design than just plain old paper. So let's pretend that I did that all over the space. Then the next thing I'm going to do is fold this side this way and leave this side going in the opposite direction. Fold this side this way, going in the opposite direction. And then I'm going to fold this side going in the opposite direction. It's like every other gets folded. And when I'm done folding it and I place it on my table, it will be officially a balanced Calder sculpture, kind of like his monolithic sculpture gardens. If you have any questions on how to cut your paper and decorate it, please be sure to ask. Have a nice day.